This is a question in uh, definite integration, and in definite integration we have the boundaries are given. We are asked to evaluate this, and to evaluate this we use the principle of integration, that if you have general form of x raised to the power of n dx, if you are to integrate this one, this will give us the same thing as x raised to the power of n plus 1 all over n plus 1, provided that it is indefinite. You will add, but if it is definite, you will not add the constant c. In this case here, we are not adding constant c because we have the two boundaries, upper and lower boundary, that is given to us. So to evaluate this one, integral from minus 1 and then in bracket x plus 1 all square dx. To integrate this one, what we will do here is that we will do integration by substitution. What we'll do, we'll first of all say let u be equals to x plus 1. So here du over dx is equals to 1, because when you differentiate 1 is 0, when you differentiate x is x. So when you cross multiply here, you have du will give us dx. So by implication, where I see dx here, I will replace it by du, and where I see x plus 1, it will be what? It will be u. So now this is integral of minus 1 u square instead of dx. Since du is equals to dx, I will put here to be du. So now this will now give us, I will now integrate this one now by u, so that I will have u, this one, following this rule, you will add 1, which is 3 all over 3. Then this will range from minus 1 to 1. Remember, the question is not given to us in terms of u, it is given in terms of x. So we will replace that u by having x plus 1 over 3 ranging from minus 1, in bracket raised to the power of 3 minus 1 to 1. So this will be equals to, when you substitute 1 here, it will be 1 plus 1 all raised to the power of 3, then rest of divided by 3 minus, you substitute minus 1 plus 1 all in bracket raised to the power of 3 over 3. So this will be equal to, sum this one is 2, when you cube 2 it will give us 8 all over 3 minus sum this one is 0, sums, then it will be 0 over 3. So definitely this is 8 over 3, or which you can write it as 3 going to this, you have 2, remainder 2 over 3. This sometimes is left in square unit, or if you decide to divide this one to give you 2.66666 to infinity, which is approximately 2.7 square unit. So this is how you solve problems of integration by definite integration that has upper and lower boundary. This is Kambai Mathematics. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next section.